Well, I told you to pause. I said what I said and I did not unpause you. So
alright then, I have badness back out. Next time I say no, cause I want to push badness back out.
Hold on, just chill out now. I never mean that way.
No.
I never mean like that.
Watch me eyes.
Good body girl, broke out.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Here with my sister again. So today we are doing another challenge video. We're gonna be doing the pause challenge. Shout out to Diara and Ken. They're the ones I saw do this challenge and I thought it looked so fun. So I'm going on the road now and we're gonna be doing this challenge throughout this period. Well, so basically how it works is that anything you're doing, you have to stop it and just pause. Literally, you're pausing. It no matter where you're there, what you do, who you're with. If you're talking to someone, you just have to pause.
Alright, we're not do more than 3 each year.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Think about yourself. If you give me something, I'm gonna give you back something at her.
You sound like you're afraid already.
I'm not afraid.
So let's go. Pause.
Sister.
Pause. 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 I did not say move. I'm going inside. You have to stay paused. You have to pause. You cannot break it. You have to pause. Guys, I have to go in the store to get something. She's still paused. Watch her.
Guys, I could have stand up.
Now the foolishness.
Pause.
I can't do that.
When you left me one time, it's burn up and take rain.
Oh my gosh, the man behind me will start pushing Shami. I can't believe it. Shami, don't do this. 2008.
Hello, pause.
Oh my gosh,
You left me outside, nice sun in a rain. Alright, go on. Life. You want to see rain and come down and pour me?
Thank you.
I'm flip up this. Guys, I had to forfeit. I had to forfeit the last
Strike one.
Rain was coming. Watch that. Adi, she didn't want me to stand up until she come out. And watch it. More with that 6-1. More with that 6.
You should have been right here with
You left me in the rain.
It wasn't raining when I left.
Guys,
you.
it was.
It wasn't.
Guys, she unreasonable bad. Tell her she unreasonable bad. What I did was nothing compared to what she did. She leave me in the
stopping at the road. Suppose one
make me stand up in the middle of the driveway. The woman want come out and could come out. Come stand up in the middle of the road.
Listen, I'm sorry, but I had to do what I had to do, okay? What you mean? Well, I told you to pause. I said what I said and I did not unpause you. So
alright then, I have badness back out. Next time I say no, cause I want to push badness back out.
Hold on, just chill out now. I never mean that way.
No.
I never mean like that.
Watch me and you.
Shami, give my camera to me. People not wicked say no.
Are you wicked?
Like, right.
Pause. Pause. Right.
What? Almost for pause. Ah! You are a wicked little. Yo.
Yeah, you're unfair. You're thief. That you were supposed to stop in Papa's entrance.
No, boy, Go. Listen, watch me on her.
Pause. Pause. I'll be back. Guys, I'm not evil. I'm going to buy something for her to eat. People in here, a few surf here. I almost get through still. She must suffer, she's too wicked. And pause.
Wanna see how she wicked? Wanna see how she... Yo.
Now you want to play that again?
Very cruel.
First. No rain and fall.
Rain was doing actually. I can't catch you from that, you know. Guys, comment down below and tell me if you wanna think the Shami wicked. Tell me if she know wicked. Pause.
You know say it, so I'm not pause.
One man. Enjoy your sandwich.
Daddy? Yes, I am. I'm sorry.
Pause. Pause. Now, Shami, me say pause. You're not for chew. You're not for swallow. Pause. You're hungry though. Mr. Pause! What are you doing? Pause! Shami, your mouth, leave the sound. You're doing horrible. Come. These people. Shami! Miss see your mouth. Alright, go on. Shami, you know say you not get full marks for that a while ago. Pretty much heading back home right now. Pause. No! It never in our mouth. It never in our mouth.
Cup quality as
Yeah,
one.
pause. The hell? What are you doing?
The cup is gone.
All you do is cheat through this entire challenge.
Should I give my first bite to them and I'm giving first a while ago.
Shut up. Pause. Shut it. Me, I tell you the truth.
Pause.
What? The line is all green. What? Go.
Okay. I didn't say it, but pause.
Yeah, make me get ticket, girl. Pause. Yeah, make me get ticket. I'm sorry, me off a cheat that one there. I just pass them up the road, but you Bertie. I'm sorry, it's just one. Shami been cheating out so much. I'm still leading. I'm still leading. Guys, tell the truth. Tell me down in the comments.
I don't care if I lose. I don't care to win this challenge.
Why not?
Because my unruly. No, what's on your kid? You put me in a rain for stand up.
Listen, and so did you, bruh.
The rain never come down. I like when
I told you to pause, the sun was shining.
What me that for?
The sun was, guys, tell the truth. A sun in the city that shine. No rain.
I'm gonna come back in the car, I'm showing the windshield.
Yeah, but me never said that at my outside. Fact of the matter is that you should have remained paused, because I was not aware of any rain. You were supposed to be paused.
Mrs. saying I love you.
Oh no, don't
I
love you very much.
No, come on, because you want me to catch cool.
No.
The sun hot and the rain fall and she want me to stand up out there.
I told you to pause. The sun was shining. You need some vitamin D. You're looking pale. Alright guys, she don't want to cooperate. She's upset because she cannot be.
She made me pause with the food in my mouth and it was a asiaga and it's spicy. And it's a bare mouth in her and she never want me to eat it.
And so what? This is how the game goes. So that's all for this video. As you can see, Shami wasn't having it and she was like, she's not pausing anymore. She can't play by the rules of the game. But it was fun. And if you enjoyed this little challenge, go ahead and give it a thumb up and just comment all the challenges you want us to do. We have a number of other challenges planned, so look out for those. And yeah, just go and big up on yourself and stay tuned. This was a really quick one. Really appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye.